Today we're going to be looking at how you can earn passive YouTube money, and we're going to be focusing on this one video here that I uploaded, as you can see, over a year ago. So this one video has brought me in a pretty decent amount of money, and I'm going to show you this step by step. Now look, if you want some free resources to make money online, go into the description box below this video and you will see my free affiliate marketing course, my free YouTube course, and many more. But look, let's break this down step by step. And look, if you watch this video till the end, I'll show you how you can speed up this whole process, because believe it or not, this has been a lot of trial and error on my behalf. And if you watch it till the end, I'll show you how you can skip all of that and fast track your own growth with this. So for this method, you do not need any skills. You don't need money, you don't need to be on camera, and ultimately you don't have to spend a lot of time with this, because as you can see here, this video here was 13 minutes. So let me go over and show you this here. So this here was going back to the 1st of January 2019 to the end, February, the 1st of February to the end of February 2019. Now, the product that I was promoting was this one here. It was called Fiverrlicious. It was about earning an income on Fiverr from basically being a middleman. So you put up a gig on Fiverr, somebody purchases it from you, and then you go and purchase the service from somewhere else and you pocket the difference. So if we go up here, you can see, look here, Fiverrlicious, yeah, not taught school / bonus page Fiverrlicious. So this one video here was promoting this course over here, this Fiverrlicious course. Now if we go back over here, you can see in February I made 18 sales and I earned $162. Pretty good. If I go to the following month, let's go to March and go to the end of March and click on go. Scroll down here, you can see in March I made Fiverrlicious 11 sales. I earned $92. If I then go to April, don't worry, I'm not going to go through every single month. I just want to show you the potential with this. Go to April, and go. Scroll down, look, here it is again, Fiverrlicious, 44 sales, I earned $371. So as you've seen here, this video was uploaded over a year ago, and I'm showing you 3 consecutive months where this was bringing me in a passive income. And that was a year ago. But let's go and look at this. I'm going to click on Fiverrlicious. Let me show you so far for this month, and bearing in mind we are only 4 days into this month, I've had 1 sale. So from a video I put up onto YouTube over a year ago, within 4 days into this month, I've earned $8 from this. Now, you might be thinking $8 is not a lot of money, but if we go to here, and let's just click on all time, it's earned me $1,368.40 from one. It's literally, as you can see here, one video that I put up, 13 minutes long, and it's earned me this amount of money. So I've earned $1,368 from this. But you can break this down further if I go into the actual video. Let me just pause this and go into the analytics. I'll show you the income for this. Because obviously, in terms of earning a passive income on YouTube, we not only earn from affiliate commissions, we also earn from Google AdSense, which is where they put ads over the top of my video. So you can see on here, this one video from over a year ago, it's brought me in 240 subscribers. It's earned me $308, so we've earned $308 and we've earned $1,300. So it's coming up to just under $1,700 from a 13-minute video that I put up onto YouTube. So I think you'll agree that's pretty good going. And look here, if we scroll down the page, real-time activity, within the last 48 hours, it's still getting views on the video. Albeit it's not a lot of views, but every single day this video is getting views. And you can see down here, look, YouTube search, channel pages, suggested videos, YouTube features. So I'm still driving traffic to this passively, and I'm still earning an affiliate commission for this. So I'm earning a commission from the actual products that I'm promoting within this video here, and I'm also earning a passive income from the ads, which Google overlay on top of the video. Now this method of earning money on YouTube is incredibly powerful because if you upload your content and you know how to make sure that your video is optimized the correct way, then you can not only get your video to go viral, you can also grow your channel, and at the same time you can start earning a hell of a lot more money on the back end, because we don't focus on earning our passive income from the YouTube AdSense, we focus on earning our passive income from the affiliate products. And look, both these run side by side, but the affiliate marketing side of it, you can earn a hell of a lot more money. And look, this doesn't just work in this niche, because over on this channel here, this Not Taught at School channel, this is obviously in the make money online niche. I've got other channels in lots of different niches where I'm bringing in a passive income every single day from really simple videos that I am uploading. Now on the channel you're watching now, sometimes I'm on camera, and every single time I'm talking over the top of this. But on some of my channels, I'm not talking, I'm not on camera, and sometimes I even outsource the content creation for literally $5 or $10. It's really simple stuff. But if we break this down, how can you go ahead and create content onto YouTube that will bring you in a passive income? Well, first of all, you decide on a niche or a category or a topic, and then once you've decided on that, you then go and find affiliate products. So you decide on a niche, you find products that you want to promote within your video, and then once you've done that, you create the video. And you can create the video in a number of ways. You can do this using a piece of software called Content Samurai. You can go and find free stock photos. So let me just give you a really quick example of this. So if I go on here and I type in free stock videos, scroll down here, look, all of these are free. Look, Pexels, Pixabay, Mixit Kit, Video Vive, Cover. There's hundreds of these websites. So you decide on your niche, find products to promote, find free videos that you want to upload onto YouTube. You then, once you've found all of these videos that you want to create, you then download them, you put them all together in a really simple format. Once you've formatted it the correct way, you then optimize the video, you then upload the video using keyword research, you also create a thumbnail related to your video, and then literally you upload it, and then after that you then go through another process, which is whereby you drive social signals and backlinks to your video, which will help it to rank. Now look, I apologize if a lot of that is a bit gobbledygook here and it doesn't make sense, but all of this, you can learn all of this and how to go through this step by step going over to the link down below. It will take you over to this page here. This is my brand new course, which has literally just launched yesterday, and it's my YouTube Passive Success course. And this here will show you step by step how you can build an online passive business that pays you even when you're sleeping. And look, this doesn't work just on my channel, because you might be watching this and thinking, well, you've got 50,000 subscribers, so it's really easy to throw up these screenshots here, you know, of big numbers. Well, look, on my sales page here, if you go down here and have a look at this, you'll see testimonials from other people. You will find lots of screenshots in here, and this course here will walk you through absolutely everything you need to know to be successful with creating a passive business on YouTube. Now, if you've got any comments or questions about this, please leave them down below. But overall, in terms of earning a passive income on YouTube, this is the method. So what you do is you decide on a category or a niche. Once you've decided on that, you then find products that you're going to promote. Once you've got those products that you want to promote, you then create content around this. And as I've mentioned, you can use video software, you can use different video softwares, you can use free images, free videos, and then you optimize those and you upload them onto YouTube to ensure that your video gets lots of views, and then you earn a passive income from the advertisements YouTube puts over your video, and you also earn a passive income from the affiliate links within your description. And look, like I mentioned, you don't have to go ahead and check out my course if you don't want to, but if you do, this will give you the groundworks and the basics, and it will basically cover absolutely everything you need to know. So we've got an overview of the blueprint, how to start properly, the fast method, keyword research, creating the channel, videos made easy, the upload process, and how to get more eyes on your videos, and then finally the money module, which is basically how you can actually make more money on YouTube. So look, that's enough for today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.